Hello guys, I am Arvind and in this lecture I am going to discuss dictionary in Python. So let's discuss the introduction to dictionary. So a Python dictionary is also known as associative array or hash tables. A dictionary is a collection which is unordered, mutable and indexed. The other compound data types have only values as an element while a dictionary has a key value pair. Basically, a dictionary consists of pairs of keys and their corresponding values. It can have any number of Python objects including other container types. So it means we can assign a list, tuple or any other container types to the dictionary. And dictionaries are optimized to retrieve values when the key is known. So let's go ahead and we'll discuss how to create a dictionary in Python. So there are two ways to create a dictionary in Python. First one is a conventional approach and second one is by a dictionary constructor. So let's discuss the conventional approach to create a dictionary in Python. So in conventional approach, we can create a dictionary by placing items inside curly braces and separated by commas. An item has a key and the corresponding value expressed as a pair, key value pair. So each item is separated from its value by colon and the items are separated by commas and the whole thing is enclosed within curly braces. The values in dictionary can be of any data type and can repeat. Keys must be of immutable type means keys must be a string, number or tuple with the immutable elements and these keys must be unique. So guys, this is a syntax for the dictionary. So we have three items in this dictionary D and an item has a key and the corresponding value that is expressed as a key and value. So A is a key and 10 is a value. This is the first item and here B is a key and 20 is the value of this key. This is second item and this is a third item where C is key and 30 is a value that is associated with this key. So each key is separated from its value by the colon and items are separated by the commas. The whole thing is enclosed within curly braces and the values in dictionary can be of any data type and can repeat. It means the value in the dictionary can be integer, float, a string or any container type just like list, tuple, etc. and it can repeat and the keys must be of immutable type. It means we can use string, number or tuple for the keys. So let's go ahead and I will show you how do I create dictionary in Python. So guys, now I will show you how do I create a dictionary in Python. So as you know, there are two ways to create a dictionary in Python. First one is conventional approach and second one is dictionary constructor. So here I am using first method. So we can create a dictionary by placing items inside the curly braces. So there are three items in this dictionary and we have separated these items from the commas and we also use colon to separate values and keys and whole thing is enclosed within curly braces. So D1 is a dictionary. Now if I run this code I will get a dictionary like this. So guys, now I will show you how do I create a dictionary using integer keys. So there are three items in this dictionary and all the keys in this dictionary are integers. So this is the first key, this is second key and this is the third key. So now if I run this code I will get a dictionary like this. So in this dictionary all keys are integers. Now guys, I will show you how do I create a dictionary with the mixed keys. So there are three items in this dictionary and all keys are of different types. So this is an integer, this is a string and this is a float types key. So now if I run this code it will produce a dictionary like this. Now guys, I will show you how do I create dictionary with the dictionary constructor. So let's go ahead. So guys, now I will show you how do I create a dictionary using dictionary constructor. So we have passed these items inside the curly braces to the dictionary method. So now if I run this code, it will give you a dictionary here. So let's go ahead and we'll create a dictionary using sequences. So guys, I have created a dictionary using a list, and we have passed a pair of items to this list within this dictionary constructor. So if I run this code, I will get output like this. So this is dictionary D that is printed here, and this is the dictionary D1 that is printed just below the dictionary D. Now guys, moving on to next topic, and that is empty dictionary. So let's go ahead and we'll discuss it. If there is no item inside the curly braces, then it is called empty dictionary. So there is no item inside these curly braces. So now if I run this code, it will return an empty dictionary. Now moving on to next topic, and that is accessing values in dictionary. So guys, we can access items of a dictionary by referring to its key inside the square brackets. So let's take an example of how do I access items from the dictionary. So there are three items in this dictionary, and we want to access email from this dictionary. Then we will refer key email inside the square bracket to access email from this dictionary. So if I run this code, it produces following output. So here we get the email ID from this dictionary. We can also access items from this dictionary by using get method. So let's make some changes in our code, and I will show you the working of get method. So here I am using get method to access this email from this dictionary. So here I am using this key, and I am passing this key to this get method. So if I run this code, sorry, I have not print this X. So if I run this code, it will give you the email from this dictionary. Now if you try to access an item from the dictionary with a key that is not a part of the dictionary, then it will give a key error. So let's make some changes in this code. So guys, I am removing these two lines and this comment from this file, and here I am using a key. Let's say I'm using amp id that is not present in this dictionary. So if I run this code, I will get an error, or that is basically a key error. So if you try to access a item that is not present in this dictionary, then it will give you a key error. So now guys, moving on to next topic, and that is updating dictionary. So let's go ahead and we'll discuss it. So guys, we can update the values of a specific item by referring to its key name inside the square bracket. So if we want to update the email of this item from this dictionary, so we can do this by referring its key name inside the square bracket, and we will assign new value to this key. So now if I run this code, I will get the updated email in the dictionary. Now moving on to next topic, and that is add items to the dictionary. So guys, our next topic is add items to the dictionary. So there are two ways to add items in the dictionary. So in the first method, we will add items to the dictionary using subscript notation, or in the second approach, we can use update method to add items in the dictionary. So let's go ahead and we discuss first method. This method will create a new key value pair on a dictionary by assigning a value to that key. If the key does not exist, it will be added and will point to that value. If the key exists, the current value it points to will be overwritten. So in this statement, I am assigning 100 to this key and I know this key is not present in this dictionary. So this key will be added in this dictionary and this key will point to 100. So if I run this code, I will get the updated dictionary. So guys, when we want to update or add a lots of item to the dictionary, update method is a suitable candidate. So initially we have a dictionary which has one item, and in this statement I am printing it. In this statement I am trying to add this item to this dictionary by using update method. So I have passed this item within this curly braces to this update method, and now I am printing it. So now if I run this code, so it will give you the updated dictionary. We can also add items by using another dictionary. So let me remove these comments from these lines. We have created another dictionary, and this dictionary D1 has one item email, and I have passed this dictionary D1 to the update method, and I am printing this dictionary D. So now if I run this code, we got the updated dictionary, or we can say we have added this item to the dictionary D. And we can also add items by using assignment. So let me remove the comments from these statements. So we have assigned 100 to this emp id, and we have passed this assignment to the update method, and here I am printing this dictionary D. So it will give you the updated dictionary, or we can say we have added 3 elements to this dictionary D. I hope it is clear to all of you. Now moving on to next topic, and that is delete dictionary. Guys, we can remove individual items from the dictionary by del statement. So if we want to delete emp id from this dictionary, so we can do this by referring to its key name inside the square bracket with the del statement. So this statement will delete this key from this dictionary. So if I run this code, here I will get the updated dictionary, and in this dictionary emp id is not present because we have deleted this emp id from this dictionary. And we can also delete entire dictionary in a single operation by using del statement. So let's make some changes in our code. So now I want to delete this dictionary completely. So now if I run this code, it will give an error that is name D is not defined. Now guys, moving on to next topic, and that is clear method. So let's go ahead and we'll discuss it. So guys, we can empty the dictionary by the clear method. So we have a dictionary D, and in this statement I am printing it, and here I am using clear method, and this clear method will empties this dictionary D. So now if I run this code, here I will get an empty dictionary. So moving on to next topic, and that is membership test. So let's go ahead and we'll discuss it. So guys, membership test in dictionary is used to check whether a specific key is present in the dictionary or not, and we use in keyword for membership test. So this is a dictionary, and here I'm using in keyword to check membership. So we are checking whether this name key is exist in this dictionary or not. So now if I run this code, I will get true, and if this key does not exist in this dictionary D, it will return false. So let's make some changes. So here I am using emp underscore id, and now I am performing membership test. So it will return, oh sorry, emp id is actually present in this dictionary, so I will use place. And if I run this code now we are getting false because place is not present in this dictionary. Now guys, moving on to next topic, and that is length function in dictionary. So let's go ahead. So guys, length function in dictionary returns the number of items in the dictionary. So I am using length function to find out the length of this dictionary. So now if I run this code, I will get 4 because there are 4 items in this dictionary D. Now guys, moving on to next topic, and that is iterating through dictionary. So let's go ahead and we'll discuss it. So guys, we can use for loop to iterate through a dictionary. So when we are iterating through a dictionary using for loop, the return values are keys of the dictionary. So if I run this code, I will get the keys of this dictionary. We can also get values from this dictionary by using values function. So let's do the changes. So d dot values, so here I am using this values function. Now if I run this code, I will get values. So these are the values from this dictionary. Now guys, if you want to iterate through both keys and values, then you can use items. So let's make some changes in this code. So here I will use two variables x and y, and I am using items. Okay, so now if I run this code, sorry, I will use x comma y here. Now if I run this code, now we are getting keys and their values. Now guys, moving on to next topic, and that is pop method in the dictionary. The pop method removes the item with the specified key name and return it. So here we have a dictionary D, and in this statement I am printing it, and here I am passing a key within this pop method, and this pop method will remove the item and will return to the x, and in here I am printing this popped item from this dictionary, and in this statement I am printing the remaining dictionary. So now if I run this code, this is initial dictionary, and this is the popped item from this dictionary, and this is the remaining dictionary. Now guys, moving on to next topic, and that is pop item method. The pop item method removes the last inserted item in the dictionary. So here I am printing this dictionary, and I am basically trying to remove the last inserted item from this dictionary using pop item method, and here I am printing this last inserted method that I have popped out from this dictionary, and this is the dictionary that is a basically remaining dictionary. So now if I run this code, this is the initial dictionary. Basically pop item method removes the last inserted item. So this is the last item, and this is the remaining dictionary. Guys, moving on to next topic, and that is copy a dictionary. So let's go ahead and we'll discuss it. So guys, now I will show you how do I create a copy of a dictionary in Python. So we have a dictionary D, and there are 4 items in this dictionary D, and in this statement I am printing it. So if I run this code, I will get the dictionary D. So let me remove the comment from these 2 lines. So what I'm doing here, I am assigning this D to the D1, basically creating a copy of this D. So I have assigned this D to D1, and now I'm printing this D1. So now if I run this code, I will get D and D1. So this is the copy of D that is assigned in D1. So guys, now if I want to add an item to this dictionary D, so what I am basically doing, I am basically adding an item to this dictionary D. So this is the key 1, and I am assigning 50 to this key. So now if I run this code, here I am getting the dictionary D. So we have added one more item to this D. So now if I print D1, After this statement, so you can see that both the dictionary D and D1 are same. So but actually it is a problem because we have assigned an element to the D dictionary, but it is also assigned to the D1. So we cannot copy a dictionary simply by D1 equals to D, because D1 will only be a reference to D, and changes made in D will automatically also be made in D1. So I hope it is clear to you. So guys, we can solve this type of problem with the copy method. Basically, the copy method returns a shallow copy of the dictionary. So the copy method doesn't take any parameter, and this method doesn't modify the original dictionary, just returns the copy of the dictionary. So let's go ahead and I will show you how we can create a copy of the dictionary using copy method. So guys, let's make some changes in our code. So here I am using copy method, and as we know that copy method doesn't take any parameter. So if I run this code, so guys, this is dictionary D, and this is dictionary D1, and this is dictionary D after adding one more item to this dictionary D. And after the adding one more item to the dictionary D, we are printing D1, and you can clearly see that there is no added item to this dictionary D1. There are another way to make a copy of dictionary, that is the built-in method dict. So we will use dictionary constructor here to make a copy of dictionary. So let's do this. So here I am using dictionary constructor here. So I am passing D. So now if I run this code, you will get the same output. So this is the dictionary D, and this is dictionary D1, and this is dictionary D after adding one more item to this dictionary D. So this is dictionary D, and you can clearly see this, there is no added item to this dictionary D1. So guys, let's go ahead and we'll discuss nested dictionaries in Python. So guys, in Python, a nested dictionary is a dictionary inside a dictionary. So it is a collection of dictionaries into one single dictionary. So this is the syntax for nested dictionary. So we have passed two dictionaries into another dictionary. So I am also giving an example to you. So this is a dictionary D1 and this is dictionary D2, and I have passed this dictionary to the another dictionary, nested dict. So now if I run this code, I will get the output of nested dictionary. So I hope it is clear to you. So thank you so much guys for watching this video, and if you liked it, do not forget to subscribe and like, and I will see you then in the next video. Thank you so much guys once again.